Emperor penguin. Emperor penguin is the largest, tallest and heaviest of all living. नाम में ही है emperor. It is endemic to Antarctica, not found anywhere outside Antarctica. Now it's flightless. ठीक है. It has streamlined body and wings stiffened and flattened into flippers for a marine habitat. We understand that. Fish, crustacean, krills, these are the food that they'll eat. Now they have some special features. इनके केस में क्या होगा ना, देखो birds हैं तो क्या अंडा देंगे? Birds तो egg lay करते हैं ना. To lay eggs, they will come far away from the coast, several kilometers from coast. So it's only penguin that breeds during Arctic. They will breed during winters. Emperor penguin trek 50 to 120 kilometers over the ice to breeding colonies. Over the ice, from the coast, over the ice, they'll walk, they'll move 50 to 120 kilometers to come to their breeding colonies. There, which can contain up to several thousand individuals. Females lay single eggs in May, June. That is incubated solely by male. That's very important. Females egg lay करती हैं, फिर females go back. कहाँ पे? पानी में. For its food. It will go to the coast. And males will keep taking care of the eggs. और eggs incubate होंगे, बच्चा निकलेगा, male उन्हें संभाल के रखेंगे. But they will not have a lot of food. All the food would be exhausted. And right at the time the food exhaust हो चुका होता है, when the males are like very hungry, एकदम चबी चबी खाती पीती females would come back. And then they will start taking care of the kid, जो बच्चा पैदा हो चुका है, and males will walk 50-100 kilometers to the oceans for eating and for everything. This is a important characteristic. जब मैं इनके बारे में वीडियोस देखने की कोशिश कर रहा था, तो this was the video that was shown. तो मैं जब नोट्स बनाए थे तब भी यही वाला पॉइंट आया था कि how they travel long distances for this purpose. तो एग देके माँ चली जाएगी. Who will take care of? Who will take care of the child? It is incubated solely by males. तो जब तक बच्चा निकल रहा है अंडे से, incubation would be done only by males. After that, it would be joint responsibility. You do it, I'll do it, you do it, I'll do it, and so on. ये बात समझ में आई? We're talking about which penguin? Emperor penguin. IUCN में near threatened है, but now climate change is creating big problem. एक recent study बता रहा है कि in late 2022, 4 out of 5 emperor penguin colonies located in Bellingshausen region. The 5 बड़ी colonies हैं where thousands and thousands of penguins are there. In 4 of the colonies, there was not a single child who survived. So thousands of बच्चे हुए होंगे, not a single child could survive. Why was it so? It was primarily because of climate change. जब बच्चा पैदा होता है ना, that बच्चा is not evolved enough to survive in water. उसकी body पे protective layers नहीं आए. And if the ice melts and they fall in water, it would be extremely cold for them. They will not be able to survive. So because of climate change, this is happening. So most of the kids died. Out of 5 colonies, in 4 colonies, not a single chick survived. Not a single kid survived. Up to 10,000 emperor penguin chicks across 4 colonies may have died. This was the news. अभी August September में कभी ये news था. और क्यों die हुए होंगे? Because of climate change. Emperor penguins hatch their eggs and raise their chicks on the ice that forms around the continent each Antarctic winter and melts in the summer month. If the sea ice breaks up under them, the young chicks will drown or freeze to death. The sea ice disappeared before the start of the emperor chicks fledging period. Fledging period क्या होता है? During which they develop their waterproof adult wings and learn to swim. So before they could develop that, the snow melted, the ice melted, and most of the chicks died. In out of 5 colonies, in 4 colonies, chicks died. बात समझ में आ गई? Emperor penguin was in news for this reason. हो सकते हैं. Okay, let's talk about another penguin called Adelie penguin. Adelie penguin. ये अभी मार्च में न्यूज में था. 532 dead bodies of this Adelie penguin have been found, एंड सस्पेक्ट क्या था, किस वजह से, बर्ड फ्लू। हमने बोला बर्ड फ्लू अंटार्कटिक पे भी पहुंच गया है, वी हैव साइंस टेक अपडेट्स में भी पढ़ा था ये, और इन जनरल while studying bird flu also we had studied it. तो Adelie penguin is a species of penguin common along the entire coast of Antarctic continent. It is the only place where they are found, and in March 2024 a team of researchers had found 532 dead Adelie penguin. अब 532 dead bodies मिल गई means there may have been many more bodies who have drowned, who may have been eaten by other fish etc. Right? So a lot of them may have died, thousands more may have died is what they have estimating. So the researchers suspect the deadly H5N1 bird flu virus killed the penguin. The field tests were inconclusive. Samples have been sent in labs for more detailed study. Then we have Galapagos penguin, the northernmost penguin. It is the most northerly of all penguin. Galapagos हमें ये पता है, तो बस इस वजह से मैंने इसे थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे मेंशन कर दिया है, प्लीज बस एक बार रीड करिएगा.